Hi everyone, Daryl here with 63 and Counting Toolbox. Harbor Freight just released their August Inside Track Club deals, and there are over 150 member-only specials this month. Instead of reading every coupon, I picked the 20 deals that stood out to me the most. These are the ones I think offer the best value, the biggest savings, or are simply tools that many of us can actually use. Please don't worry if your favorite doesn't make my list. At the end of this video, I'll show flyer pages I created with all this month's ITC deals. Now you can pause the video and look through every offer for yourself if you choose to. Let me know in the comments how your top 20 compares to mine. All right, let's get started. Starting out, we'll start with 25% off welding wires, rods, and electrode tips. If you weld very often, this is the month to stock up. These consumable items never seem to get cheaper, and you'll always need them sooner or later. Why pay full price next month when you can save 25% today? Next up is the Hallmaster Tri-Ball Trailer Hitch with Hook. We've looked at it before, but right now it's on sale for $34.99. That's 30% off the regular price of $49.99. If you pull more than one trailer, this is a really handy hitch. Instead of swapping ball mounts every time you hook up to something different, you've got 3 ball sizes ready to go. I think this is one of the better trailer deals in the entire flyer. Now we've got the U.S. General magnetic spray can and screwdriver holder for your toolboxes, coming in at only $9.96. That's 33% off the regular price of $14.99. If you already own a U.S. General toolbox, these magnetic accessories are hard to beat. They keep your most used items right where you need them instead of being buried inside of a drawer. For under $10, I'd probably pick one up, maybe two. Now let's look at the Doyle 10-inch V-jaw groove joint pliers. They're on sale for only $7.98. That's 38% off the regular price of $12.99. These are one of those tools that end up getting used all the time. For your plumbing, automotive work, around the house. And at this price, it's an easy addition to the toolbox or to have extras in various places. Now let's look at a nice shop accessory. The Central Machinery 4-inch drill press vise is on sale for $14.99. That's 25% off the regular price of $19.99. If you own a drill press, this makes drilling safer and gives you a much better control over your work. This is one of those accessories that you'll appreciate every time you use your drill press. I know I enjoy mine. Now let's look at the Hercules 7-inch surface grinding dust shroud on sale for $34.99. That's 22% off the regular price of $44.99. Concrete dust gets everywhere. I have a video showing that if you'd like to watch. Anything that helps collect that dust while you're grinding is money well spent. Less cleanup and a much cleaner work area. Now let's look at the Doyle 3-pound drilling hammer. It's on sale for $11.99. That's a full 33% off the regular price of $17.99. Whether you're driving chisels, setting stakes, or doing demo work, a drilling hammer is one of those tools that just gets the job done. Check out my other hammer video for more. I think this is another excellent value this month. Every do-it-yourself mechanic should look at the Cen-Tech OBD-II code reader. It's on sale for $27.99, 30% off its regular price of $39.99. If you've ever had that check engine light come on, this little tool can save you up at the parts store trying to find out what's wrong. Sometimes one tool, one stop, pays for the tool. Next up is the Pittsburgh Pistol Grip Grease Gun. It's on sale for only $12.99. That's 35% off its regular price of $19.99. If you own a trailer, mower, tractor, or any equipment that has grease fittings, this is one of those inexpensive tools you'll keep using year after year. I own it and it works great. If you don't already have one, this is a good month to pick one up. Here's another deal I really like. The Pittsburgh Pro 11-piece lug nut impact socket set is on sale for $59.99, 25% off the regular price of $79.99. These are designed for use with impact wrenches and are made for removing lug nuts without damaging expensive wheels. A great addition if you do your own tire rotations or brake jobs, and it comes in a very nice plastic case. Now let's look at the Hallmaster 600-pound trailer dolly. It's on sale for $49.49. That's 24% off its regular price of $64.99. If you've ever tried pushing a trailer into a tight spot by hand, you already know how valuable this item can be. This makes moving smaller trailers around the driveway and garage much easier. Here's the Bauer folding sawhorse with built-in clamp. It's on sale for only $19.99, 33% off its regular price of $29.99. I really like tools that serve more than one purpose. You get a sturdy sawhorse, plus a built-in clamp to help hold your work. That's a lot of versatility for 20 bucks. It's a really nice unit. Next up, we have the Icon Extended Reach Serpentine Belt Toolkit, and it's on sale for only $49.99. That's an Icon. That's 29% off the regular price of $69.99. If you've ever replaced a serpentine belt in a cramped engine compartment, you know why mechanics love this type of tool. I know I do. It's definitely geared towards automotive work. But when you need it, you need it. Nothing else works quite as well. Now let's look at the Armstrong Full Motion TV Wall Mount, only $6.98. That's 65% off the regular price of $19.99. It's hard to believe you can buy a swivel tilt TV mount for a TV up to 42 inches for $7. If you've been planning to mount a TV in your garage or workshop, or maybe your camper, I'd grab this one while the deal lasts. Coming in at number 6 is the Bauer 9-inch benchtop bandsaw. It's on sale for $154.99, 22% off its regular price of $199.99. If you've been waiting to get into woodworking or small fabrication projects, this is a nice way to add a bandsaw without spending a fortune. For the weekend do-it-yourselfer, I think this is a pretty attractive price. Do you? Next, we have the U.S. General Magnetic Socket Holder. It's on sale for $9.96. That's 33% off the regular price of $14.99. Keeping your sockets organized saves time every single time you work on a project. If you're already using a U.S. General toolbox, this is another inexpensive accessory that's definitely worth a look. Even should work in some of the mini boxes. At number 4 is the Pittsburgh 12-ton hydraulic bottle jack, on sale for only $24.99, 29% off the regular price of $34.99. Bottle jacks don't get used every day, but when you need one, daggone it, you need one. You're really glad it's sitting on the shelf. This is a solid buy for the garage or the truck, and Harbor Freight continues to lead on this product. Next, coming in at number 3, the Hallmaster 2-inch by 27-foot ratcheting tie-down strap. It's on sale for $11.99, 33% off its regular price of $17.99. When you need the extra holding power for a lawnmower, ATV, side-by-side, furniture, or just about anything heavy, this is the strap I would reach for. In my opinion, this is one of the better values in this month's flyer. I'd probably pick up more than one while they're on sale. Next we have the Cen-Tech painter's tape. Several sizes are included in this month's sale. Whether you're painting in a room, working on a woodworking project, or just need clean paint lines, painter's tape is something most of us always seem to run out of. And this brand has worked really great for me. This is a good opportunity to stock up well while it's on sale instead of paying full price later. And finally, my number 1 pick this month, the Hallmaster trailer hitch. Now I know I mentioned it earlier, But this is the deal that impressed me the most. 30% off, 3 hitch ball sizes, plus the built-in tow hook, all in one setup. If you pull different trailers throughout the year or use a strap to pull up brush or pull up anything, this can save you time every single time you hook up. For me, it's the standout deal on Harbor Freight's August ITC flyer. In closing, those are my top 20 Harbor Freight Inside Track Club deals for August. Now it's your turn. Which 20 would have made your list? Did I leave out one of your favorites? Let me know down in the comments. I always enjoy seeing which deals everybody else is excited about. And don't forget, right after this, I'm going to show the complete ITC flyer pages that I put together, because there was no flyer. If there was a deal I didn't mention today, you'll be able to pause the video and look through every single member deal for yourself. If you enjoyed this video and the format I'm presenting it in, I'd really appreciate a thumbs up. And if you're not already subscribed, I'd love to have you join us here at 63 and Counting Toolbox. Thanks so much for watching. Y'all take care, and I'll see you in the next one.